How to buy Bitcoin on Coinomi. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to purchase Bitcoin on Coinomi wallet. So in order to purchase or buy Bitcoin on Coinomi wallet, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, go and log in into your account. When you're logged in, that is going to take you to the home page. On the other fields, you just have to go ahead and click the buy button, and as you click the buy button, it's going to take you to the page where you can see this order interface. So here you just have to go ahead and select the asset that you wish to buy, and when you're buying a Bitcoin, make sure that you have enough funds. Next, you need to go ahead and select the asset. So after you're done selecting the asset, it's going to take you to the review or a summary page where you have to enter the exact amount of Bitcoin that you wish to buy, add in the payment source and all of the information that will be asked, and you'll have successfully bought Bitcoin on Coinomi. So that is how you can buy Bitcoin on Coinomi. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.